Now this is something to see. Welcome everybody. This is the first time recording my SYM Jet2 50, my legacy ride, on my channel with the microphone in my helmet. This is the legacy ride I talked about, and I was waiting for the parts. Now when it's fixed, I can enjoy this crazy ride. The engine sounds amazing. Look at this. This is awesome. Let's go here. This is awesome place. People here go for nice evenings with the barbecue. The Neretva River is there. You even have the places to jump. This is so good. I think I can even open my helmet for the better engine sound, since there's no wind. That 23 years old two-stroke is alive. This is some crazy trail. I haven't been here for years. Listen to that farty sport exhaust. Oops. I didn't expect this to happen. This looks like a tunnel. I think I've gone too far. This is some ecology right there. Oh God. Now this is something to see. Lovely. This is some serious off-road. This is really overgrown. Seriously. Seriously well overgrown. I hope the engine note is good on the mic. Especially during the helmet open. Ouch! We are also redlining the fuel. Well, I didn't expect this overgrown terrain. I knew it was overgrown, but this much, no. Oh, God. I love this little thing. "23 years old. Listen to that note. I'm gonna have to close the helmet for the wind. Yahoo! Woohoo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're flying here. Look at this stunning view. This is awesome. And the engine sounds so good, purring like a kitten. And for my friend Garos, a small wheel spin. Another one. This is awesome. It has the restriction. It has the restriction ring on the Variator, so that's why it doesn't reach the full potential, full top speed. And obviously the dry belt doesn't grip that well, so you saw the wheel stop spinning at the wheel spin. Once I pass the inspection this year, I'm gonna remove it.